needing an intern, and I think we found him. Dog is my co-pilot. Shift gears, Gus. Shift gears.
Having quickly fallen far behind in the Tuk Tuk tournament standings, we decided to slow it down and enjoy the ride. We stopped off at the tip top of Sri Lanka in Nuwara Eliya. Nestled in the mountains at around 2,000 meters of elevation, the air was cold and crisp at night, with the rainy season ever present.
Are you in Alaska right now?
No, we're in Nuwara Eliya. Sri Lanka has mountains.
What?
Mountains are cold.
I thought Sri Lanka was only tropical paradise.
It is tropical paradise, but also mountains.
Look at all these blankets.
Today we're going to check out some coffee and chocolate production at a sustainable coffee and chocolate producer here in Nuwara Eliya.
Coffee and chocolate, two of my favorite things. Yes. So I get myself ready for another busy day.
I work at Hansa Coffee. This is pure coffee and roasting first. Chemical 100% pure coffee. Bake after roast.
And is it giving lots of people jobs?
Yes.
How many people work here?
20 people. 20.
20. Okay.
Organic. This one organic, not chemical using this coffee. Only organic coffee.
Hi, I am Kumari in Hansa Coffee in coffee roaster. Taro! Coffee. Okay?
Yes. Oh, smells so good. Looks delicious.
More roasting. Dark curry. Espresso. This one boiled coffee, Robusta.
This is your coffee tour. Here we have a little helper. We place coffee beans. They go in here and fire and temperature here and comes out here and it's coffee. I roast each day, but these are the machines that they use.
Looks pretty old school. Traditional.
Yeah.
It smells amazing.
That's really, really good.
Yes.
Hikadua to the south.
Yeah.
It's all through to Bella, to Nuwara Eliya.
Yeah. Then?
Next, so we go to Aten tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then we go to Candy.
We got chocolate.
Really, really good.
Oh.
Okay, thank you.
This is like
Strong.
80% Mike Fund.
They said they had no chocolate, but then I said I love chocolate, and then they found chocolate for us. So I'm gonna try
You
it.
milk chocolate
60% dark chocolate. That's the good stuff.
Sri Lanka best Hansa Coffee.
My name is Josie and this is Amma, and we make naturally dyed textiles and products. So Amma's a social enterprise and we work with women, mainly mothers living on the tea estates, and lots of young women don't want to go into tea picking. And so we felt like there was a really good opportunity to provide some kind of employment. And so we focus mainly on natural dyes, and so we work with some hotels in Nuwara Eliya, and we source onion skins and avocado stones, and we collect leaves, and then we buy in some other dye plants like indigo, which we use to make colour. We work with a weaving group in the north of Sri Lanka, a women's cooperative, and so we purchase all our fabric from them, and it's hand woven, and then we dye everything here and then make them into products. We started doing a life skills class on Fridays. So one of our teachers goes through issues which are quite prevalent around here: money management, mental health, kind of parenting, and those kind of topics. Lots of our mums left school very young, so after O level, which is kind of GCSE level, and got married very young and then had children very young. So they missed out a lot on education, and so we want to kind of embed that into our working day and our kind of curriculum. So we use pomegranate skins, which come from a cafe in Colombo. We use eucalyptus leaves, nelly fruit, tea waste, onion skins, madder root, and indigo. And we're still working on expanding what colours we can get. Like Sri Lankans like really bright colours. And so it's been interesting for us to try and find what our market is. So actually our dyeing process takes the best part of a week. So we'll do like a big collection, put them all in the freezer, and then we've got stuff from indigo, which is working very well. So this one we're just starting avocado dye. It's only been going for about 10 minutes, and so the colour will get a lot darker. This one is the indigo, and so this is really different, and it's taking us a long time to get it working. But instead of tea, it's like a fermentation process, and so you have to use a few different ingredients and mix them together to get blue, which you can see.
Yeah, it's really dark now.
Yeah. This is the hand-woven fabric. It comes from a cooperative in the north. So we're still quite small. There's, I guess, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7.
That's great.
On a day, and they work 9:30 to 12:30, and then if we've got big orders, they work in the afternoon as well. We're just about to launch an online shop, which has been a long time coming, and then you could also pick up some of our small blankets in Barefoot in Colombo, and then also Urban Island in Colombo, which is next to Paradise Road, and you can also get them in the kip in Hansa.
Nuwara Eliya has by far Sri Lanka's best produce selection, and the markets are a dream for chefs like me.
Sucks. It's raining now, but that's just how things are in the afternoon in Nuwara Eliya. We had a beautiful morning. It was really clear and really gorgeous, and I just love the landscape here. It's amazing. And we got to visit Hansa Coffee and Chocolate, and then we got to visit Amma. And both of those places were so inspirational and so nice. They just really welcomed us with open arms, and it was just really refreshing and beautiful to make those local connections and learn about their projects. And I'm just feeling super grateful right now, because I feel like this whole experience with the Tuk Tuk tournament and good travel has really restored my love for travel and my love for making these authentic connections with local people. Because I mean, I get it, even for us, it's really easy when we travel to just, stick with the touristy places, the touristy restaurants, and like everyone's going to this hospital and this party, and we just end up still in the same bubble of like just hanging out with the same people we would hang out with at home. But really, this experience has gotten us back to being off the beaten track and making those authentic local connections, and really just, filled our hearts with so much joy to see all the good, sustainable, awesome projects that people are doing in this beautiful country. So I'm just feeling super grateful that we get to do this right now, and I just wanted to, say thank you again to Hansa and Amma for welcoming us with such open arms.